September 18th, 1776, and the next battle in the battle for New York is Pell's Point. And once again, we see the Americans using unconventional methods to maybe not defeat, but at least deter a far superior force, the British. And popping up in this battle, you'll see some familiar names like John Glover and his Glover's regiments from Marblehead, Massachusetts. Now, I'm not going to do a whole new video about the battle. I did a really good video on this last year, so I'm just going to link to that video. You can click on that link and watch the video of Pell's Point. In that video, I'm going to mention Dave Osborne's incredible walking tour of the Split Rock Road. And if you're interested in taking that, you should contact St. Paul's Church in Mount Vernon. I will put that information in the details here. That information is also in the details of the video I'm going to be linking to. Contact Dave and tell him you're interested in taking the tour. This is if you're really, really a battle nerd and want to stand there and imagine these extraordinary events as they occurred. You can see all of my videos about the Battle for New York, 1776 by checking out my playlist. Just go to my channel, hit the subscribe button while you're there, and then select playlists. And when you do, you'll see right there, Battle of New York, 1776. Click on full playlist, and there they are. I have ordered them in chronological order of when the incidents occurred, and you can just scroll down there and check them all out. So until next time, here's the Battle of Pell's Point, and I'll see you again soon for the next battle in the Battle for New York.